what you think that who are from non-environmental background, they should come forward for the climate justice or environmental work? What do you think? Yes. I think environment is one of the most intersectional subjects. And also environment is a concern for everyone because it does not only affects the day-to-day life of the environment studying student or a law studying student like me. It affects your life as well. Even if you are a student of technology, of real estate, or of any subject that maybe you are of, it will affect your life. That's why you should also start taking action. So, as the Srishti said, that we all have to creating collaborative effort together, and especially for the better environment, so that our livelihood will be increased. আমাকে অবশ্যই কমেন্টে লিখে জানাবেন আপনারা কি এনভায়রনমেন্ট নিয়ে কাজ করতে ইচ্ছুক নাকি না। তাহলে আমরা একটা ছোট্ট কমিউনিটি তৈরি করতে পারি যেখান থেকে আমরা এনভায়রনমেন্ট নিয়ে কথা বলবো, এনভায়রনমেন্টাল জাস্টিস নিয়ে কথা বলবো,